What's up, y'all? I got my Husqvarna 435 here. I love this chainsaw. When I bought it, I used it several times for various things, and then it's just sat for about 2 years. Now when I started it up, it's kind of hesitating and a little bit of a surging going on. I'm just gonna do a little tune-up on it, and figured I'd show you guys how it goes. So it shouldn't take that long. Here we go. Got these little clips that hold the top cover on. Got the scrunch that came with it. We're gonna look at a couple things here. This is the spark arrestor. We're gonna see if that's clogged up at all. Some people just take this out and leave it out, but I'm just gonna burn the carbon off of it and put it back. Should be able to burn that stuff off pretty quick. It's nice and clean now. Stick that back in. Alrighty, well, here's the air filter. Let's check it out. The air filter looks pretty good, but I did buy a little tune-up kit. I'm just going to replace it just in case it got wet or nasty or something. I don't know. Alright, new air filters on there. I have a new spark plug and a new fuel filter too, so I like to get the fuel filter out of here. Let's see. This is new gas in it. I just put in, so that should be fine. Now I emptied the old gas. Fuel filter is down in here somewhere. There it is, right there. Old fuel filter. There's the new one. Put it back down in there. And it's good to go. So we got the air filter replaced, we got the fuel filter replaced. Last thing is a spark plug. So it's probably fine, but we'll go ahead and replace it anyway. The new spark plug. All right. Doesn't really pop on like a typical old school spark plugs, but should be good. All right, so clean the spark arrestor, we replace the spark plug, we replace the air filter, and we replaced the fuel filter. So that's about all you can do on these, other than taking the carb off and, you know, cleaning it if you need to. But I think this one's good. I just replaced the chain not too long ago, so it's fine. I could tighten it up a little loose. I'll do that. It's on there. So you want to loosen that with your scrunch just a little. Just break it loose, and then use your little adjustment screw down here to tighten your chain. So you want to be able to move it up, but not to where it's all the way out. So we're just going to tighten it a little bit, like that. Maybe a little more. It's pretty good. Yep. I will start it up and we'll see how it runs. Choking it, gonna prime it. We got a new fuel filter in, so. All right, we're done with our tune-up. Runs much better. Should be good for, you know, a while, I guess. And I can do my job that I need to do tomorrow. So yeah, like and subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Thanks.